Did you know yawning can be contagious? It's not just boredom at play. Scientists believe it's about social bonding. This phenomenon is linked to emotional empathy. When we see someone yawn, our mirror neurons activate. This mimics their feelings and triggers a yawn. It's like a silent conversation. But why do we do this? It improves group cohesion and synchronization. Even animals experience contagious yawning. It's the only time being easily influenced by your friends is actually a scientific phenomenon. So, next time you yawn, remember, it's more than boredom. It's a way to connect and share feelings. Isn't that fascinating? Like and subscribe, please. Listen closely next time.